Plant FAQs. Platycerium elephantotis. Platycerium elephantotis, the staghorn fern with elephantine appeal. Hi there, Ferbu here, and today we're diving into the world of a truly unique fern, the Platycerium elephantotis. This beauty, also known as the Angola staghorn, has captured the hearts of plant enthusiasts with its striking good looks and interesting growth habits. If you're curious about this fern or are considering adding one to your collection, then this FAQ is for you. We'll cover everything from its appearance and care needs to how it compares to other staghorn ferns. What makes the Platycerium elephantotis special? The most captivating feature of the Platycerium elephantotis is undoubtedly its foliage. Unlike other staghorn ferns with deeply lobed fronds, the elephantotis boasts large, rounded sterile fronds that resemble, you guessed it, elephant ears. These fronds grow in a stunning, bright green hue and gracefully arch outwards. How big does the Platycerium elephantotis get? This fern is a true showstopper, and its size reflects that. The sterile fronds can reach an impressive 24 to 30 inches in length, making it a statement piece in any indoor space. Platycerium elephantotis versus other staghorn ferns. What's the difference? While all staghorn ferns share some similarities, the elephantotis stands out for its unique features. Here's a quick comparison. Front shape. As mentioned earlier, the elephantotis boasts rounded, unlobed sterile fronds. Most other staghorn ferns, like the Platycerium bifurcatum elkhorn fern, have deeply forked fronds. Growth rate. The elephantotis is known for being a relatively fast grower compared to other staghorn ferns. This makes it a good choice for those who want to enjoy the fern's majestic size sooner rather than later. Light requirements. Like most staghorn ferns, the elephantotis prefers bright, indirect light. However, it can tolerate slightly lower light conditions than some of its kin. How to care for Platycerium elephantotis. Bringing an elephantotis home is exciting, but proper care is essential for it to thrive. Here are some key things to remember. Light. Provide your fern with bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the fronds. Watering. Water your elephantotis regularly, allowing the potting medium to dry slightly between waterings. Avoid letting it sit in soggy conditions. Humidity. This fern enjoys high humidity levels, ideally above 70%. If your home environment is dry, consider using a humidifier or misting the fern regularly. Fertilizing. A balanced fertilizer applied monthly during the growing season, spring and summer, can give your elephantotis a boost. Mounting. Staghorn ferns are epiphytes, meaning they grow on other plants or surfaces in nature. You can mount your elephantotis on a corkboard, coconut husk, or driftwood. Troubleshooting common Platycerium elephantotis issues. Even with the best care, problems can arise. Here are some common issues and how to address them. Brown fronds. This could be due to underwatering, overwatering, or lack of humidity. Adjust your watering routine and increase humidity if necessary. Yellowing fronds. Older fronds naturally yellow and die off. However, excessive light or nutrient deficiency can also cause yellowing. Check your light conditions and fertilize appropriately. Pests. Inspect your fern regularly for mealybugs or scale. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Where to buy a Platycerium elephantotis? Finding a Platycerium elephantotis might require a bit more effort compared to common houseplants. Online retailers specializing in rare plants or botanical gardens are good places to start. The final word on Platycerium elephantotis. The Platycerium elephantotis is a truly unique and rewarding fern for plant enthusiasts. With its impressive size, stunning foliage, and manageable care requirements, it's sure to become a treasured addition to your indoor jungle. So, if you're looking for a fern that makes a statement, the elephantotis might just be your perfect match.